Well, I got the trailer brakes working. Trailer's ready to go. I'm going to take the Studebaker to the Amboy Rt66 car show next Saturday. Going to put a for sale sign in the window, see if there's anybody who wants to buy it. Okay, it's all done. It's loaded up. I know it's a week early, but this way I can detail that Studebaker. Take a week, do it real so it looks real nice, polish it and everything. Make a nice for sale sign for it, and it'll be ready to go to the car show at the Rt62nd annual Rt66 car show at Amboy, California. Roy's Cafe.